has been a long time now since my last video. So, I'm coming back to you with a free advanced timer project giveaway that I hope you like it. I will take you in a step-by-step tutorial about how to use the project. First, you need to choose between milliseconds, seconds, minutes, and hours. Let's see how it works. When choosing milliseconds, the timer plays from 0 to 99 and then loops back. While choosing seconds, it will loop back every 60 seconds. Like this. Okay. Minutes works the same way, but with minutes. And also hours. Okay, let's say you need to start from a specific time. You have a slider here called the time shifter. You can adjust the time shifter to start from any time you need. You can click shift, left mouse button to adjust to hours, minutes, and so on. Another option is the speed. If you want to play the video 2 seconds every 1 second. So all you need to do is to add 2 here in the speed, and let's make this 0 again. You'll see that in the second 1 it will count 2, and so on. I hope you liked the video and the project. You will find the link here below. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find it useful. Thank you so much. See you again.